Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick and practical tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add Google Maps directly into your Canva designs. Whether you're making an invitation, a business flyer, or even planning a travel guide, being able to drop an actual map into your project can save you tons of time and really impress your audience. By the end of this video, you'll know step by step how to integrate Google Maps in Canva, and you'll feel confident using this feature for all sorts of creative projects. So let's jump right in and get started. First, open up Canva. If you don't already have an account, just head over to Canva.com and sign up. It only takes a minute. Once you're logged in, locate the Create a Design button. This is usually sitting right up at the top, hard to miss. Clicking this will bring up several options, but today let's select Custom Size. This gives us full control over how our canvas will look. For this tutorial, punch in a width of 100 pixels and a height of 50 pixels. Now these numbers create a nice compact size, but feel free to make adjustments depending on the space you need in your specific project. When you're set, hit Create New Design and Canva will open your fresh blank canvas. Now here, where it gets interesting, take a look at the left side of your screen. There's a vertical menu running down the page. Scroll to the bottom left and find Apps. This section is like Canva's toolbox, packed with extra features you might not even know about. Click on Apps and right at the top you'll see a search bar. Type in Google Maps and you'll see the Google Maps integration appear in the list. Go ahead and select it. This is our ticket to bringing live, interactive maps directly into your design. When the Google Maps app opens inside Canva, you'll be greeted with a search field where you can enter any location you'd like. For example, let's try Torrell, but you can be as broad or as specific as you want here. Type in a city, a neighborhood, or even a particular landmark. If you're making an event invitation, you can use the exact address of your venue. Or if you're creating a poster about local attractions, type in the name of a well-known spot. Once you enter your location, hit search and Canva will fetch you a live map preview. Now take your time to review how the map looks. This might take a few moments, especially if your internet connection is taking a breather. Don't worry, just give it a second. If the map matches what you need, simply click on it to add it to your canvas. It'll pop right in, ready for you to resize or move just like any other Canva element. You can layer it with text, frames, or stickers, or even change the layout to really make the map a focal point of your design. And honestly, that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to embed a Google map in Canva. No screenshots, no awkward cropping, just a sleek interactive map right where you want it. It's a fantastic way to make your projects more informative and visually polished. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments what you'll be using maps for in your Canva projects, or just drop any questions if you run into a snag. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides and creative ideas. Your support helps this channel grow and brings you even more tutorials. See you in the next one.